Hey, who's next on the train? Oh, it's me. Next on train ride? Let's go. Vaping part, what's up? Where's your home? I don't know. It's gotta be somewhere around. Oh no, I dropped you. No, gotta get back on. Stop. That's my home. Okay, who's next on the ride? Oh, you. Stop. This is my ride. Wait, no, it's not. Okay, I'll keep going. Is this yours? No, that's Lady's. Okay, where could you ride be? Gotta be around here somewhere on the right. Is it right here by Lady's house? Yes, it is. Here. You'll be right over here. Okay. Who's next? Is your ride home? No. Is this? Oh, that's your ride. Okay, back to the station. Okay, who's next? Is this your home? No, wait, I forgot that Tusm's home. Is this your home? It's right next to Tusm's. Yeah, that's my home. Okay. Who can be up next? Little boy up next. Is this your home? It's right by the car station. Back a little bit. Back. There. This is my home. Okay, be right back. See you later. See you later. Okay, who's up next? Oh, wait. What did you say? Oh, this is your home? Hey, you're right next to that boy's house. No problem. Very truly my home. Okay, who's next? Blah. So your house is right next to Girlie's house? Here, is this your home? Blah. Hey, you two are neighbors. You certainly are your neighbors. Okay, who's next? Hey, wait, back. Oh wait, the tree is your home? Hey, I like how you're like now you have 3 neighbors. Over and over. Oh, you're next, Rocky. Okay, got it. Oh no, train problem. Train problem. Oh no. Wait, this is your home, right? Oh, this is your home. Good. Okay, last stop. Who is it? Quack, quack. Okay, Ducky. It's the last train ride. Here we are. You're home. Quack. Oh, you're right next to Monkey. Quack, quack. Well, that's the end of the train ride.